after that national uproar coming in on the IS officer Pooja Khedkar's and developments constantly, the twists and turns, there's been a reaction on this. Amid all these charges of manipulation of disability, OBC certificates to get into the civil services, Pooja Khedkar has been called back to the Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration in Mussoorie, and she has to return by the 23rd of July. This clearly is the first major action after India Today has been relentlessly trying to connect the dots and find out when and how were the certificates allegedly forged. The district training program that she was in has been suspended for now. She's been under scrutiny not just for the forging of the certificates, but then even before she joined, alleged misuse of power and privileges. But interestingly, amid all of this, she has filed a complaint against the district collector of Pune, alleging harassment of her all this while. Pune police are meanwhile also trying to search for the parents to try and ask them some questions, specifically after the mother's video had emerged of using an intimidating, threatening tone against farmers over a land dispute.
अब तो ये डर लग रहा है कि ये सरकार में हर संस्थाएं भ्रष्ट हो रही है। कल तक तो नीट की परीक्षा में आपने देखा जो कुछ हुआ, बच्चे बैठ नहीं पाए। अब वही हालत यूपीएससी में अगर होती है, ये तो बहुत ही गंभीर है, क्योंकि लोग झूठे दाखिले देकर अगर यूपीएससी में आईएएस बन रहे होंगे तो आगे जाकर सेवा क्या करेंगे ये लोग। उसकी माँ पिस्तौल लेके खड़ी हो जाती है, उसके पिताजी आईएएस है, भागे भगोड़े अभी सब भागे हैं वहां। ये सिर्फ खेड़ेकर की बात नहीं है, परिवार के परिवार कुछ आईएएस बन गए हैं, वो भी सारी जांच करनी पड़ेगी। अभी ऐसा लग रहा है
उनका ट्रेनिंग अभी उनको जो पीरियड था, प्रोबेशन पीरियड, वो खत्म करके बीच में ही काटकर उनको उस संस्था में बुलाया गया है। तो अभी उसके आगे उनके लेटर में साफ साफ लिखा है कि उनको फर्दर एक्शन लेने के लिए उनको यहाँ बुलाया गया है। तो इसका मतलब इसके आगे की भी कार्रवाई होगी, हो सकता है कि उनको पद से हटाया भी जाए।
मुझे लगता है ऐसे सेंसिटिव विषय में, कुछ अधिकारी के विषय में कोई भी बात होती है तो सरकार एक समिति गठित करती है, जिस समिति के सामने सारे विषय चर्चा को आते हैं। मुझे लगता है समिति गठित हुई है, उसमें जो तकरार के पार्टी वाले लोग वो भी बयान देंगे और जिनके खिलाफ आरोप हुए वो भी उसमें अपना साक्ष्य देगी। समिति जो निर्णय करेगी वो निर्णय सबको मान्य रहता है।
Remember, India Today had been doing its independent investigation, and not just about the incumbent charges, but also even to the MBBS certificates when we decided to put forth how then there was a fitness certificate without any disability. All of this has led to a certain impact. But now that she has been summoned by the IS Academy back to Mussoorie, and the action has also come in after there is already a committee that has been set up that's trying to probe further. Let's take a look at this report to help us understand how this one case has possibly opened a can of worms.
IAS probationer Pooja Khedkar is shunted out of Maharashtra. The state government has relieved Khedkar of all duties. Her IAS training stands cancelled. Pooja Khedkar will have to report back to the Mussoorie IAS Academy by July 23rd. The crackdown comes even as more skeletons tumble out in the case. The public servant is allegedly at the center of an elaborate scam involving forged medical records, multiple name changes and age manipulation. Using multiple addresses to prove her alleged disability, Pooja Khedkar first obtained a visually impaired certificate in 2019 from an Ahmednagar hospital. In 2021, she obtained a mental illness certificate from the same hospital, while she got a locomotor disability certificate from Yashwantrao Chauhan Memorial Hospital in Pimpri. She later approached the government hospital in Aundh to get a certificate for more disabilities, but this time her application was rejected. However, the 2007 medical certificate submitted for her MBBS admission shows no mention of any disability.
जो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट दिया है उसमें एग्जैक्टली जिक्र क्या है?
That she is fit physically and mentally to undergo MBBS course ऐसा है, and absence of disabilities लिखा है उसमें.
Absence of disabilities. So in 2007, while she was taking admission here, she had no disabilities.
She was fit physically and mentally.
Finally, we can say probe has been initiated. The actions have been initiated on the different levels. Police are looking after Manorama Khedkar and Dilip Khedkar, parents of Pooja Khedkar. But yes, at least till now, service and the probation period of Pooja Khedkar with the state government of Maharashtra has been put on hold.
Despite these damning allegations, Pooja Khedkar maintains her innocence. She calls the charges against her a media trial.
मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन स्प्रेड केली जाते आणि प्लीज हे माझं खूप जास्त डिफेमेशन होत चाललेलं आहे. माझं प्लीज रिक्वेस्ट आहे मीडियाला सुद्धा की प्लीज एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल मीडिया म्हणून तुम्ही बिहेव करा. जेव्हा असं असताना माझी मीडियाला पण रिक्वेस्ट आहे की प्लीज तुम्हाला जी काही इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळेल ती तुम्ही प्लीज मिसइन्फॉर्मेशन म्हणून स्प्रेड करू नका.
As the case unfolds, the authorities are under pressure to get to the bottom of Pooja Khedkar's alleged fraud. With Omkar Wable, Bureau Report, India Today.